The A-pillar welds show 0 subsurface anomalies.
Confirmed. The borescope view is clean as well.
Ensure the module clicks into place securely.
Confirmed. Testing continuity now.
We have a slight variance on the CAN bus here.
It's within tolerance. Continue the update.
We have a spike in the stability control data right here.
Rerouting power now. The adjustment is confirmed.
Deceleration looks good. Verify the ABS engagement point.
Confirmed. Data logger shows nominal values across the board.
All parameters green on the diagnostics.
Confirmed. Ready for release.
A4, confirm approach vector, keep it steady.
Watch the clearance zones on the passenger side.
Looks good from here.
Keep it coming, slowly now. Watch the right side clearance.
Alignment looks good, approaching the stop point.
And stop. Chocks are in place. Secure the front straps.
Ratchet mechanism looks good here. Did you get the front right?
Yes, confirmed and logged.
All checks complete on Bay 4. Seals verified.
Confirmed. You are cleared for departure. Route Alpha.
Finalizing seal sequence now.
Environmental controls locked.
Transport ready.
Seals verified. All green on this side.
And logged. Good to go.
All units maintain spacing. Kiosk 2 is now active for the next 3 carriers.
Copy. Approaching kiosk 2.
Manifest check complete.
Confirmed. Logging departure.
You're all set, driver.
Schedule confirmed. You are clear for gate 3.
Copy that. Departing now.
Test complete. All readings are within tolerance.
Acknowledged. Visual inspection confirms restraints are fully secure.
Align the 3rd carrier now. We need 5 feet spacing.
Spacing confirmed. Proceed to the outbound lane.
All clear. You may proceed.
Confirmed.
Rear suspension locks confirmed. Diagnostic status.
All systems green. Activating stabilization sequence.
Verification is successful.
Confirmed. Proceed to the next gate.
Convoy 1, you are clear for departure. Maintain synchronized speed at all times. Convoy 7, perimeter check. All systems green.
Confirmed. Sector 4 secure.
Sector Gamma is clear for merger. Carrier 4, proceed when ready.
Affirmative. Moving into position now.
The powertrain diagnostics are stable at 98%.
Acknowledged. Continue monitoring the environmentals.
All right, bring it in nice and slow. Hold it right there. Clear to set the brake.
The upper seal is good. Restraints holding steady during vibration.
Reading confirmed. Ready for transport.
Route manifest 32B is confirmed.
Timing synchronized.
All right, authorizing distribution now.
Checkpoint 5, speed holding steady at 80 km/h.
Vibration metrics are nominal. Route clear ahead.
For alignment, watch your spacing. Convoy is clear. Initiate departure sequence.
Stability indicators are green. Proceed to waypoint 4.
Confirming entry sequence for Grand Tour, ETA 5 minutes. Lane assignment is F12.
We're coordinating the scheduling for the dark green luxury tour.
Right. Assign it to Dock 7 for immediate transfer.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Clear on the left side.
Confirmed. Bay 4 alignment is perfect.
Authorization confirmed on Bay 4.
Sequence initiated. Clear to unload.
Panel clear, hydraulics engaged.
Confirmed. Front lock disengaged.
Keep it straight, almost there.
Clear on the right. Looking good.
And set. Perfect alignment.
The front panel alignment is within tolerance.
Noted. The rear torque checks out as well. Let's finalize the report.
Check the coordinates on screen, Bay 42.
Confirmed. Logging the arrival status now.
Route 4 Gamma is clear for the Grand Tour. Send the confirmation now.
Acknowledged. ETA updated on the main screen.
Tread depth confirmed. 7 millimeters across the front axle.
Noted. Seals are secure. Battery diagnostic complete. Status optimal. Ready for transport.
Bring it back easy, just a little more. Clear on the left, confirmed.
Bring it back slowly. Watch the guides. Perfect. Set the brake.
All checks finalized. Carrier 7, you are cleared for departure. Proceed to the main gate.
Stability metrics on the rear axle are fluctuating.
Acknowledged. Cross-referencing weather. Looks like turbulence from the overpass.
Look here, the environmental sensors spiked slightly at the last checkpoint.
I saw that. Rerunning the diagnostic now. Looks stable.
75, Bay 4 activated.
Sequence confirmed. ETA 5 minutes. Over.
Scan confirmed.
Data matches manifest.
Proceed.
Keep it slow, just a few more inches.
Clear on the back? Okay, stop right there.
Interior checks complete. Everything aligns with the manifest.
Panel gaps are within spec.
Confirmed on the display.
Finalizing report now.
Wake-up sequence complete.
Confirmed. Transport mode is off.
Just a few more inches, sir. And stop. Looks excellent.
Walk-around inspection is complete. No issues found. The diagnostics are clear. We are ready for the customer presentation.
All systems green for chassis 7.
Confirmed. Final diagnostics complete.
Paintwork is flawless. Interior diagnostics clear.
Final status verification passed.
Clearance confirmed. Records archived.
Acknowledged. Ready for release.
Verification complete. All systems nominal.
Confirmed. Ready for handover.